$20, which is any car length of any car that is out here tonight. So you choose the vehicle, $20, and with that you get a free t-shirt. So if you do $20, you will get yourself a free t-shirt.
Anyway, I said, it don't run like it should. No, it's not happening. I said, I got a 33 charge, it gets 20. So I never heard of one getting 20, but I said, I've been around them all my life. I said, I can't get things.
Get a video of the inside if you want.
I'll be right there.
Oh, this side up
Oh, it doesn't matter. Either side I can go. I have a thing. I like trucks. Especially the old trucks. Have you had this one at Central City before?
Last year, yeah.
Okay, that's because see, we're from there.
Is that right?
Yeah, and he said that's what he thought. We've seen this before.
Yeah, that was my second outie out.
It's a sharp truck. Got to get the hat.